Welcome to our Great 8 celebration of Hands-On and the kickoff for this 8th annual Hands-On Community Service Day.
This is definitely one of the most important days of our year and one of my favorite days as well.
You feel the energy. People just can't wait to volunteer.
I've been to every Synovian Hands-On, and I really enjoy being able to give back and appreciate Synovian for giving us that opportunity.
It's the first one. I think it's a great way to serve the community.
Synovian is truly committed to community service and our corporate social responsibilities, and we're very proud that we're able to do this.
We don't exist without volunteers. And the culture at Synovian has always been having fun doing good things.
This is a whole lot about the company, and I'm not sure who's having more fun, us or them.
Good job, guys.
Oh, it's a blast. It's a blast because you know you're making a difference.
Today we're helping out the Boys and Girls Club of Hackensack and Lodi.
This is our 8th year, and it's just great to be kind of part of the community.
We learn from them and we also teach them.
There's 44 of us here today at the Davidian Farm in Northborough.
It's nice to be able to connect to the families and the place where we live and work every single day.
To get to all be together and get to know other people that work at Synovian is really a neat experience.
This group here is decorating canvas bags that will be filled with books to go to children in low-income families.
This is the first company I've worked with that does something like this. Just speaks to the character of the company.
We care about our patient, we care about our employees, and this shows we care for our community.
This community center offers help to low-income families. Synovian rolls up their sleeves and gets busy.
It's a wonderful way for us to give back.
Synovian gives back.
Synovian gives back.
The Boy Scouts that we're helping out here at Camp Resolute, we're doing real work. We took down tents this morning, we're stacking wood. It's a feel-good moment for all of us.
Fun to talk to some people, get to know some of the people in the company. It's a great time.
We're a full comprehensive cancer support center. We exist on volunteerism, so we are delighted when companies join us in gifting to this population that so benefits from your generosity.
I feel like I am giving back in a very personal way by being here. It's just very rewarding to see that there are places like this to receive end-to-end care.
And at the end of the day, you might be exhausted, you might be tired out, but you've had fun and you walk away thinking, we made a difference.
Today we are helping with the food pantry, and then these donated book bags and supplies are going out for kids who need them.
I'm the only person here, and without these volunteers, I wouldn't be able to get this job done.
You remind yourself that we are more than just a pharmaceutical company, we're a company that cares about the community.
I've been volunteering as a champion for the last 8 years, and it always feels great.
We're sorting, collating, and packing gloves to be shipped off to countries in need.
We garden and did some yard work at the Bergen County Zoo.
It's great to know that we continue to be committed to hands-on and coming out into the community and giving back.
Great 8!
Great 8!
Thank you so much for the time that you gave today and the time that you've given for the last 8 years.
None of this is possible without all of you here. Thank you for volunteering and for making a difference together in people's lives.